Aruba's tourism growth continues into the first month of 2014. Plus, Facebook buys WhatsApp for $19 billion. And Aruba's largest volunteering action, Aruba Doet, is coming back. 15 on 15 starts right now. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. The year opened with tremendous results concerning tourism. Impressive growth continues to show as time passes. Aruba's tourism grew by 9.4% in January 2014. This is an impressive growth compared to last year. The percentage of growth surpasses all expectations. For January 2014, 82,877 visitors came to the island. In this month alone, there has been a growth of 9.4%. There was a stronger volume of traffic from the Latin American market. There was also an increase in visitors from the American as well European markets. The USA market grew with a percentage of 5.4%, while European also grew by 8.5%. In other local news, a foreign affairs presentation took place. January 1st, 1986 is the day the Kingdom of the Netherlands modified its constitution structure. Aruba then became a separate entity, an equal partner of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Here's more. At a presentation involving foreign affairs representatives, the following is what Aruba has a say in.
According to the Charter of the Kingdom of the Netherlands of 1954 and the recognition of the status of party of Aruba 1986, Aruba had the right to be directly involved to participate in kingdom affairs with regard to the foreign policy, respecting sovereign equality of states, the maintenance of international peace and security.
Although there are a few areas of strength with regards to foreign affairs, there are still a few topics that needs to be discussed further.
We have a beautiful future, but we have to think about the balance of budget, immigration policy. It shouldn't be a revolving door, and we have to do more to crime deterrent.
During the presentation, a book launching celebration also took place. Prime Minister Mike Eamon explains how the foreign affairs meetings and presentations on the island got started.
This is a tradition that existed for many years. I believe another prime minister with the last name Eamon started it, and then it stopped for a while, and I'm happy that another prime minister with the name of Eamon restarted this tradition of having this type of contact with the Corps Consulaire in Aruba, also in the presence of the representative of the Dutch Kingdom.
For Aruba to work with partners from the Kingdom of the Netherlands allows for more international opportunities.
Foreign affairs actually is a responsibility of the Kingdom, and within that responsibility, Aruba has an important contribution to set the priorities together with the Kingdom and together reach out to the world to create new friends for Aruba and the Kingdom.
And moving forward, a business expert on entrepreneurial genius hosted a lecture on the island recently. One of the main tips he revealed is for everyone at any job to step away from a one-track mind. We need to explore and maximize opportunities whenever possible.
Look, I think if you took a moment in time to really look at the landscape of what is around you, the things that influence your business, the things that influence your life, some of that stuff becomes fairly apparent. It's about being aware of your surroundings, but so many people in business are so caught in today, that they can't see further. They're too busy just getting rid of the stuff in front of them. Like the taxi driver, the example was pretty obvious. Well, if you haven't got a tourist client through the quieter months, then find a corporate client or find some domestic clients that are regulars. Think a little bit laterally, but he's so caught in the tourism season that he's not thinking in 3 months' time. He's thinking about next week and the payday's going to get on Friday. And that's what we've got to get beyond. We've got to get beyond that one, myopic thought of what's happening today and look further into the future.
When we come back, Facebook buys WhatsApp. Also, we'll talk about the secret to aging healthier. Trust me, you won't want to miss that. And ladies, I'll reveal the snacks you should always keep in your purse just in case. All that and more coming up, so stay with us. Welcome back from the break. It is Facebook's biggest acquisition yet. The social media giant plans on taking over WhatsApp for $19 billion. New evidence shows that apps specializing in global messaging is the hottest corner of the social media market. Facebook plans on paying WhatsApp $12 billion in stock, $4 billion in cash, and $3 billion in stock grants. Co-founder and CEO of WhatsApp will join Facebook's board. The messaging service is hugely popular outside the U.S., with over 450 million users. Facebook just bought the only app that could truly call itself a Facebook killer. WhatsApp was arguably the largest known threat to Facebook. It claimed in December to have nearly half as many users as FB. This alone would have been enough to get Facebook's attention. The fact that Facebook declared going into 2014 as a mobile company, and by extension a messaging company, had a huge impact on the buying decision. As a mobile phone, you need apps. So it has Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, which WhatsApp competes with. So it's a smart move for Facebook to purchase the messaging device. There is a secret to aging healthier. Irisin is a hormone released in your body when you work out. It reprograms fat cells so that they burn rather than store energy. Essentially, the more irisin is in your body, in your system, the better your metabolism chugs along. For those in the cold climate, new research also shows that it is released in your body when you shiver, so perhaps stepping outside would work as well. New research has determined that participants with higher levels of irisin, in other words, those who practice regular exercise, tended to have longer telomeres. That means that they were aging more healthily and with lower risk of age-related diseases. So there you have it. Maintaining an active lifestyle is linked to longevity. Moving forward, there are no excuses for the ladies to head to the vending machine for a snack anymore. Here are a few things to always keep in your purse, just in case you have a craving. Raisins are great. Small packaged raisins contain 1.5 ounce, which is fewer than 100 calories. Clementines are also great for the purse. 2 to be exact can help you hydrate and give you fiber. Dried apricots, on the other hand, provides that same fiber but adds a bit more vitamin A to your diet. If you are in need of a salty food fix, it's much better to grab a handful of almonds than a bag of potato chips. And on that note, we will be right back. Take a look to see what is coming up next. This island has adopted the initiative of Aruba Dude. Last year, Aruba Dude has become the largest volunteering action. This year, there is more work to be done. Daniel Tecklenborg is the director of Sede Aruba. According to him, 2,300 volunteers of Aruba Dude accomplished 87 jobs in the community last year. The accomplishments of last year represents Aruba has welcomed the initiative with open arms.
That means for us also that Aruba accepted this project, and we got one step further, so it's gotten bigger. And right now, at this moment, it's the time for Aruba, for other people here, to look at the website and to join, to decide where they can help. In the weekend of 21 and 22nd of March 2014, the action will take place. So right now everybody is in carnival and everybody is celebrating. But right now it's also the moment to check the site and to look at all the jobs.
An example of a job listed on Aruba Dude would be fixing up this playground at the YMCA. The seesaw and swing is broken. It could also use a new paint job. This is where the volunteers come in. The purpose is to post simple jobs that can be completed within a weekend's time.
This year we are very happy with all the schools that have signed up, because last year we had a kind of shortage in schools that joined. This year we have a lot of schools, and what they are building, for example, is sandbags for the children to play with a roof above it. So these kind of jobs are new for this year. We have a lot of paint jobs, small constructions, but also activities like activity with the elderly, people with disabilities, such kind of things. It's all small jobs that you can do in one day, maybe 2 days, but it has to be done after the weekend.
The objective of Sede Aruba is to get people involved with volunteering one way or another. A little bit goes a long way.
The main goal of us right now is to activate those people who don't have experience with volunteering. Volunteering is it's under pressure because everybody has to do his job. Some people have to do 2 jobs to come around, so it's very heavy to also volunteer. Yes, but we know that the time of volunteering has changed a little bit. It's not so much how much time you can help one organization on a structural basis, but it's about, okay, how much time do you have left, and where can you contribute? So Aruba Do It is all about getting people the experience, what it means to help during a few hours.
Go to www.arubado.com and all the jobs will be posted on the website. The volunteering weekend will take place on the 21st and 22nd of March. That is our show for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be back here with a brand new edition of the show on Friday night starting at 7:15 p.m. right here on Channel 15 ATV. So we will see you then.